All right, welcome back to our channel. The dishes are washed and dried. I know a lot of people are probably going to yell at me for putting my Pyrex in the dishwasher, but that's all right. I use this rack that I got at Goodwill. Little piece of food. Put it in my garbage thing, and now I'll load up these. My plate from dinner. And here you can see the filter and the arm. I totally do all my silverware and everything else on a separate load. It's what works best for me. I know some people may have, everybody does their own way, and I do too. Okay, now everything is in there. Yeah, it's all in there. Now I'm going to add my Cascade. Shut the door. Set these down here. And we'll come over here and fill up my water. Then later tonight, I'll clean my stovetop. It's been a couple days since I cleaned it. My tomatoes, my empty laundry. But I use Dawn Power Wash on this. It takes me a couple days to get everything done with my issues that I have, but if that's all right. Got all my some of this stuff that doesn't go in here that I haven't put away yet. I don't know if I'm the queen. Why am I doing the dishes? That's a good question. Okay. I just set it up here. And then I do this. It's my little dishwasher dog. You can see the controls. It's got air dry and delay up to like 3 or 4 hours, I think. I've never used it. There's the power button, the start button, the progress button, or no, yeah, progress or pause. Okay, and that alarm means that it's ready. And here's the water draining out into my dirty sink. I wash it when I'm done with the dishes. My Oreo feeder. My dad made one too. That's how I got the idea. There's a spoon that needs to be washed. Put it up there. It's filling up. These hold quite a bit of dishes, and this is the silverware basket. Yes, I'm all over the place. I do have a tripod that we film our train videos with, but since we moved in November into this house, I haven't found it yet, so. Cascade here next to the dishwasher. And this is the jug that came with the dishwasher. But we don't fill that up 5 times just to fill it up here, so I use that. And then we use this for our ice machine, coffee, and to fill up for kids' bowls with water. All right, we're washing another load for 1 hour, 48 minutes. And so since that's doing that, I'm going to load my dishwasher silverware holder. We moved in this house. We got possession and got the keys on November 24th. It was a very hard time. My mom suffered a stroke, and we were dealing with that. That was like literally the day after we started with all of our paperwork to get our house. I came home from the office here and I was like, I gotta call my mom. I gotta tell her and dad our good news. And my dad said he came home from golfing and found my mom in bed. She'd had the stroke. This is another thing I have, and this is where I'm doing my crafts over here. This is a box of stuff we have to go through still. And I'll put my tomatoes. Ouch, I just kicked the floor vent. Dang it. I almost said a naughty word, but I didn't. Get my power spray. The last time I cleaned this stove, I spilled it all over the place. So hopefully this time I don't. I spilled it on the floor. I spilled it all over here. So I'm clumsy. Then I'll turn off my light. And I'll turn off this light. And here's my dishwasher. It's got a nice blue light in it. And here's my pantry. We don't have a pantry and don't have a lot of cabinets, so my friend had this thing here. And then we bought this off of her. This was her mom's. And then we bought this little island. That was her mom's. And here's my kitty. And this is my crafts. I'm making some more of these. primitive, grungy candles. This was my friend's mom's too, this chicken. And those over there were hers. So, and a bunch of this stuff I just got from the thrift store and garage sales. My grandmother had these spoons and fork, but those aren't hers. There's the front door, and here's one of my bookcase hutches. This coffee thing was my grandpa and grandma Warner's, and then my grandpa Warner made this. I got a few more of them yet, and this was theirs. The bowls were my mom's. This chicken was my mom's friend. And my grandma collected the strawberry stuff, but none of that's hers. This was my mom's. My little Boyd's bears. My door again. I got a little bit of stuff here that's primitive, and those are the things I'm working on right there. And there's Phoebe. Phoebe. I have another hutch over there and some boxes that we still have to go through, and there's our TV and my messy coffee table. This is real. This is a real house. It doesn't always look this bad. We're still unpacking. Got another cat over there. Pictures. And my wagon. So anyway, that's this video. Thanks for watching.